Magandang araw po ng araw po. Dito tayo ngayon sa Kwan, sa Iloilo International Airport. Dahil pupunta po tayo ng Maynila po. Okay, punta po tayo ngayon sa Iloilo International Airport. Dahil pupunta po tayo ng Maynila. Yung flight natin is 6:30 lang hapon ng gabi. So ito tayo ngayon sa pre-departure area ng Iloilo International Airport. So before that, shout out muna sa FW sa Mukondo. Shout out po sa kay Ma'am Pesal Dawaite. Shout out po Alicia Ali. Shout out po Admin Bornebol. Shout out po Agnes Ondario, Mabuhay Sire-Sire, Inday Nakal Official. Shout out po. So salamat po sa mga totolasar ko po. Pinapamplaya ngayon ang kanyang airport na renovation po or upgrading.
Ano naman yan? Kasi pasisiro man, ha? Pasisiro man.
Sa Lone Airport.
Good afternoon. Attention to all important guests on Flight 5J275 bound for General Santos. Your boarding gate assignment is at boarding gate number 5. I repeat, boarding gate number 5. Kindly proceed now in front of gate number 5. Remain seated and wait for the flight's boarding announcement. Last call for check-in. Last call for check-in. Further, we confirm guest of Cebu Pacific Air Flight 5G 4810 bound for Dalgal, Legazpi to please check in now to avoid cancellation of the first seats. Once again, last call for check-in. Last call for check-in. Further, we confirm guest of Cebu Pacific Air Flight 5G 4810 bound for Dalgal, Legazpi to please check in now to avoid cancellation of the first seats. Thank you. Cebu Pacific Air announces the arrival of Flight 5G 4836 from Tagbilaran. Once again, Cebu Pacific Air announces the arrival of Flight 5G 4836 from Tagbilaran. To all Cebu Pacific Air guests on Flight 5G 4810 bound for Dalgal, Legazpi, we would like to inform you that your assigned aircraft has just arrived. Kindly proceed now at the pre-departure area and stand by in front of gate number 4. I repeat, gate number 4. Please remain seated and wait for your flight boarding announcement. Thank you.
So, maraming salamat po. Salamat po. Yan. Hintay tayo dahil na yung flight natin is 4 flight natin is 5G 458 5G458 6:30 po kamayang gabi po 6:30 PM po yung kasama po si Pan yung PA ko po kapatid ko yun. Pagi 458 yung aming fan. Flight number po. Yung boarding namin is 6:30 po. Yan. Yan. Yun. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumunod channel ko po. Salamat po. May God bless you and more power. Amen, amen. Bye na po. Bye na po. Bye na po. Bye na po. Yan. Bye na po, bye na po. May God bless you, may power, amen, amen. Bye na po.